In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Keep in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, locate the side panel on the far right edge of the interface. If the side panel is hidden, click the Show Side Panel arrow located in the bottom right corner of the screen. After the side panel appears, click the Google Keep icon, which looks like a yellow light bulb. The Google Keep panel will open directly inside Gmail. To create a new note, click Take a Note at the top of the panel and start typing your note. If you already have notes saved, click any existing note to edit its content or add a title. You can also save an email as a note. Open an email message, then click Take a Note in the Keep panel. Google Keep will automatically include a link to that email in your note. When you're finished editing the note, click Done at the bottom of the note to save it. If you want to view all of your notes in a larger layout, open a new tab and go to keep.google.com to access the full Google Keep interface. Any notes you create in the Gmail side panel will automatically sync with the Google Keep app on your phone and other devices connected to your Google account. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.